Good morning. Welcome back to another day of JPDalewood. I am your host, JP. It is another blistering cold morning in the deep south. Again, we're still going up and down, up and down. A couple of days ago, it was as high as 80, and temperature dropped. Well, I'll put it to you this way. I woke up the other morning in shorts and a t-shirt, and later that night I had to go pick up my two girls in what looked like a blizzard in the deep south. And that's probably why you're going to hear my throat a little crunchy and nasty. Anyhow, today I'm going to finally start working on the actual rise, putting in the floor to cover up the old miniature horse stall. So I kept talking about it, found other things to distract my attention or other things that we had to address first, and now I'm going to put that floor in if all goes well. So stay tuned. Hopefully we won't tear too much up while we're trying to accomplish this. All right, well, I got all the floor joists in. You may notice that I didn't necessarily put a header along the far wall. That's because as I was poking around, I realized that there was actually a header behind the OSB, and I really didn't want to waste two more boards, especially as how expensive they are. So score, I saved about 30 bucks and saved that wood, and we'll use it, I'm sure, for another project. Anyhow, that's all we're going to do today. I got the joist in, and tomorrow we'll lay in the sheeting, just the plywood, and we'll have our floor done. We'll finally have our floor done. About time. Anyhow, beauty. Well, this morning we're going to be putting the sheeting down for the raised deck, and true to nature, nothing is square. As much as I even tried to square our framing yesterday, I'm in an existing barn, which from point A to point B, 20 feet away, we're losing a quarter inch about every, I'd say, 1.5 feet in width. So I'm having to do some 100% USDA amateur rigging and arithmetic, which is going to be scary. However, it will work by the time we're done with all this. So we'll get the sheeting in today, and that should be it. There's a big storm coming, and so actually I'll be in the barn, in the workshop, when the storm hits, and be able to see exactly how the water's coming in with the damaged area on the other side. So let's get this floor in.